Okay, so we're done gathering our information during the planning process and we put a plan together and we have everything that we think that we need to move forward. So what's the next step? Well, remember when we talked about the overall process. After we plan, we design, and then after we design, we're going to build out and implement that network. So we're going to take everything that we gathered in the planning process, and we're going to take information such as our business needs and our technical requirements, and we're going to take that and we're going to start designing the network. And so what is the designing process from a very high level perspective? Let's go ahead and let's do a quick introduction. And before I get into that, I just want to mention that we are going to spend a section on this designing process. So this is nothing more than just a quick introduction to how it works, because I want you to understand what we'll be discussing later in the course. So what's within this design process? Well, when we're talking about the network design process, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to transform our plans into design. And when I mean a design, I'm talking about a network design. We're going to do a physical topology design. So we're going to determine how we physically lay out the network. And remember, when we went over physical topologies earlier in the course, well, during the design process, this is when you're going to start implementing that. You're going to take that design and do a physical layout. And so you're going to base your design based upon the layout of the actual building itself. And then in addition to that, we're going to do a logical design and a logical layout as well. And this is all about our IP addressing. So in this, we're going to determine our IP addressing schema. And then we're also going to define some design specifications. So for example, maybe we need email servers, maybe we need file servers, maybe we need streaming media servers, maybe we need all sorts of different technical requirements that we need to build into this design. So we're going to take all that and we're going to start designing out the network. We're going to put everything in place, and then we'll take that design and we'll take it to our stakeholders and we'll get their approval to build that network.